Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, about 6:45. I'm down here at the St. Lucie River. It's about a 20-minute walk from my house. And I like to come down here on the weekends and spend about 5 minutes on the bank just appreciating nature. Watch the sunrise. The world is so beautiful if you just take time to appreciate it. This river is at the end of a residential neighborhood, and the land you see across the river will never be built on. It's a nature preserve and very boggy, and it's kind of a strip of land with islands here and there, and the river actually forks around on both sides of it. So all the homes that are built on this side of the river not only enjoy a fabulous river view, but they have such privacy because that land will never be built on across the way. I think it's high tide, and the current is flowing towards me, and I'm pretty sure I watched an alligator swim downstream because he was going against the current, and really all I could see was his snout and this little hump of his eyeballs sticking up. And I couldn't really film it because it was far enough away and still dark enough. I don't think it would have shown up anyway, but this water is kind of brackish because the St. Lucie River connects to the intracoastal. So depending on which way the tide is flowing, like right now it's incoming, and therefore there's a little salt water in this. This river has ocean access, but there are a couple of bridges along the way, so you can't have too tall of a boat if you live inland here on a canal, if you want to go all the way to the ocean. But this river goes for miles, so you don't really need to get to the ocean unless that's your thing. So beautiful. What a blessing to have this view every morning, huh? I just wanted to share this little piece of nature's paradise with you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care.